Standing near a fast train can pull you in. When a train moves at high speed, it creates a strong air pressure difference around it. This can generate a pulling force, especially if you're too close. At the same time, the fast-moving air can make you lose balance. The faster the train, the stronger this effect becomes. That's why even standing still can suddenly feel unstable. That's why platforms have safety lines, to keep you at a safe distance. Most people ignore this. Would you stand this close? Stay safe and respect the line. Follow for more real engineering facts.